Who would have expected to see Worldcoin in another rally? It's going up together with the rest of the market. The question is, how much longer can this rally last? Is there long-term accumulation happening? What's the tokenomics? Let's dive deep to figure out where the price might go. So we are currently at $2.55. Today we are up 11%, this week we are up 30%, and this month almost 65%. Now this didn't happen without drama. We were once at almost $12 and then crashed down by almost 90%. I cover Worldcoin regularly on this channel, so if you don't want to miss the next videos, feel free to subscribe. Now Worldcoin is listed on two blockchains. We've got the Ethereum chain with roughly 30,000 holders. We've also got the Optimism chain, so the layer 2 on top of Ethereum with more than 5 million holders. Now when we've got such a distortion between the number of holders, it's always interesting to ask, where is the capital? Do most of those 5 million addresses only have a few cents worth of WLD? Let's find this out. So this is the Ethereum chain. On the left side, we've got the number of holders with 400 WLD tokens. In the middle with 4,000, on the right with 40,000. And why those numbers? Because the left side corresponds to roughly $1,000 worth of WLD. The middle corresponds to 10,000, the right to 100,000. Now it's interesting to see how this is all growing over time. Long term, but also short term for the last month. So those are the same kind of thresholds, but only for the last month. So this is hourly charts, not daily charts. There seems to have been a pretty massive jump, and that happened between the 22nd and 24th of July. Let's have a look at the price development at the time. We actually didn't see that much of a change. So the price didn't move much, but suddenly we had 200 new wallets with at least $100,000 worth of Worldcoin. My only explanation for such a jump without any price impact and without any trading volume impact is that those were allocations, potentially to early investors. Maybe they got their WND unlocked and they didn't directly sell. Now here are the same kind of charts with the same thresholds, but for Optimism. And we can see that among the smaller holders, we've got roughly the same size as on Ethereum, slightly less. But for medium and large holders, we see way less on Optimism. So really the capital is still on Ethereum. Ethereum is where the price discovery is made. And it's interesting how the number of large holders is increasing by roughly 10% in the last month. And how all of those charts look like very constant accumulation, while the price action really is everything but constant. A move from $2.10 down to $1.60, while apparently nobody is selling. Again, it seems to be all down to Worldcoin's tokenomics. The circulating supply is increasing rapidly over time. And 1 year from now, this will have almost doubled. And so let's put aside all the ethics, whether or not it's good to scan people's eyeballs. Let's think about how much upside there could be if we were to buy Worldcoin today. Worldcoin is currently the 56th largest cryptocurrency in terms of market cap. It's valued at 1.3 billion. Now, is that high or is that low? It's hard to find a comparison. Should we compare this with other identity tokens like Ontology or Civic? If we do, then the market cap now is very, very high. It's the most expensive of the identity tokens. Should we compare it to a privacy coin? Then it's the second largest. There's only Monero that's larger. But for Monero, I believe there's a real community behind this because this is really privacy-driven blockchain transactions. Worldcoin doesn't really do that. And so to me, all of this token inflation, while at the same time we see accumulation across the board, screams pretty much money grab. I cannot explain why else the price dumps regularly that much. So yes, during a bull market, Worldcoin can of course go up as well. Will it outperform the trending meme coins? Probably not. I simply stay away. I don't really like all of those unlocks. I don't like that there is people in the team that regularly sell off WLD. Now, as said, I publish videos on Worldcoin and on various other altcoins regularly on this channel. I try to do data-driven analysis. Feel free to subscribe. If you want to improve your analytics skills and you want to learn how to use and how to even build tools like this, then feel free to check out the premium membership down below. There's a lot of tutorials on how to use data to trade crypto. Crypto is both a game of luck and skill, and the more we learn, the more we should in the end also be able to outperform. Here's the link to our on-chain analytics tools with an explainer video as well. And of course, we also discuss various altcoins in dedicated chat groups in premium. Feel free to check it out. There's a 1-week money back guarantee. In case you don't like it, simply message me within the first week and I will refund you 100%. If you're not that much into analytics, feel free to check out the free Telegram. This is where we've got some small talk. Looking very much forward to seeing you there as well. Cheers!